Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, I'm Amrita Raichandran and I welcome you all to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. To solve your tiffin woes, some of the country's most loved chefs are bringing to you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Alright, so it's time for some mini tossed idlis today. Well, idlis तो usually हम बच्चों को देते हैं and they quite like it. But today we are going to give it with a dash of health, which is vegetables, and a dash of tanginess in the form of ketchup. So let's make हर दिन नया tiffin, हर दिन empty tiffin. I am going to heat up a pan and add some oil to it. तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास है ये इडली, तैयार इडली जो आप घर पे बना सकते हैं and उसे हम इस कुकी कटर के हेल्प से इस तरह से मिनी इडली बना देंगे. चलिए यहाँ तेल भी थोड़ा गर्म हो गया है, उसमें मैं पहले डाल दूंगी अपना मस्टर्ड सीड्स डाल देती हूँ and I'm going to put in some curry leaves in it and allow them to crackle. इसमें मैं डाल दूंगी थोड़ा सा हींग, then थोड़े से मटर, then a bit of carrots, nice grated carrot. Okay, now I'm just going to toss these two idlis in it. Add some salt, some pepper, थोड़ा सा चाट मसाला, toss it. All right, and last but not the least, I'm going to add some Kissan Tomato Ketchup to this, which will give it a nice taste of tomatoes and of course a beautiful color. Just gonna toss these idlis. Lovely. That's it. It's done. Gas बंद कर दीजिए. थोड़ा सा धनिया. Okay. Now we can add some nice desiccated coconut to this. If your children don't like coconut, of course you can avoid it. This is done. Now I'm just going to clean my counter and we're going to pack this in. Here is my tiffin. इसमें मैं डालूंगी थोड़ा सा और health का dose with some walnuts and some hazelnuts, some fresh kiwi. You can add whatever fruit of your child's choice that you like. And finally, a lovely soft mini idlis. Alright, so I hope you like this recipe and all the recipes that I shared with you this week. Next week, you will have Chef Vicky Ratnani with lots more exciting recipes for you. So do like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I will be back once more to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.